Hello guys, SWR Roblox videos here. Today I'm here at Stepford, Victoria on the Stepford Connect branch where you'll be seeing services by Stepford Connect only. 357022 just departed with a service bound for Airport Central. Let's see what else shall turn up here at Stepford, Victoria. There's a terminating service. But 357047. Now departing is a service bound for Stepford Airport Central. Now coming in is a 707. I didn't get that number. 059. Now departing is 707059 bound for Port Benton. Now coming in is a 357. Now departing is 357045 bound for Stepford Airport Central. Now departing is a service bound for Stepford Airport Central. Thank you for watching. We're currently just waiting for our for the train home. See you.